mukono nteeka waggulu nga mufuluma olwafunyeyo bati nentuuka wano babadde nabangako okubanizza as in these bad things zebanyiga obuyira you know they call them bazipuresinga bupuresingi nevaayo batandika okunkuba emikka nabambuza kimu zebra wa zebra bambuza zebra embeera awo wansi nebagamba kneel down and put your hands up nesigala n'abantu babiri basigala nga bankuba nga bali bebasakinga ruumu yange ne storage place awo then ne bayambuka waggulu kati nategeredde nti there is danger babadde bayambuka waggulu tulina ekiyumba kya waggulu kitalo nnyo eri eggwanga Uganda olw'okufiirwa omuntu nga Zebra Ssenyange abadde asset mu sports industry administration technical in various sections of the sport abadde muntu ali influential nnyo nga assa abantu bangi inspiring abantu bangi all the big names you hear of right now boxing say Sharif Bogere say Sula Segawa yakalwana ku fight ya Mike Tyson say many big acts with Chakoni Jebali Mama Siana ali mu US so he was part of their journeys so he helped build many people. He has been building many people via our club, Zebra Boxing Club, and he has been looking forward to creating a sports foundation for all sports. Okuyamba bana Uganda because yenga ye yali muntu munaku mwana munaku yanga yakuba era ensi yonna emumanyirwa abikonde lwa sports yabadde akola era yafokasinga ku ekyo n'akifuula life goal ye.
Oli gwe mukulu w'abaana bano oba gwe muto wa
the first born nina muto wange amita Dovina Ssenyange Zebra ne Divine Ssenyange Zebra. Tadde twabadde waka tulaba Samso on the TV saawa nga 3 dakiika 4 so tulaba soap awo waka mpola the family. He was around in the sitting room nga ali ku simu ye. He was on Facebook nga ali mu interacting n'abantu be aba ku Facebook page ye Zebra Mando Ssenyange kati and we had bullets popping out nga sawa za curfew and we thought maybe in engage the festive season maybe aba security operatives bagezaako okubulula abantu babatangire okufuluma ebweru bwekiro. So he went to a platform of Zebra Boxing Club n'agamba fellow boxers bange bonna beekuume baleme fuluma waka basigale mu nnyumba
ku platform ku WhatsApp n'abagamba bannaye
agamba temufuluma mulinza okufuna obuzibu because yabadde awulidde amasasi. So we kept on tulaba gundi yagwawo around 10:30 and I went to grab something to eat ngenda mu room yange. So I had more bullets while in the room and I was like man kino ekintu kitabuse tebakola bale obuvune ku bantu b'omu kitundu. Then nempulira ebyasi nga bingi ebyasi abaffe tuli baana ba ghetto manyi ebyasi bya ekewebuulikika manyi raba bullet wewulikika so ezasooka zaali raba bullet ez'okubiri zaali raba bullet kati ez'okusatu gabadde masasi nga mangi bakubye amasasi simanyi rounds mmeka naye bakubye amasasi nga gavuga continuously
Zebra ali mu nju
otyo. At the course of that awo wennyini mu obudde abasajja abamu batamanyiddwa ne bakoona edinisa bamira glass y'oluggi bagikoona ng'omuntu ali vigilant n'asooka neyeekangawo bagikoona akoona ey'okubiri so he ran out n'agenda emabega but while he was going my mom was coming for something so she had the glasses breaking so she was like what's up so she went there okutuuka wali eri
kucheckinga
amuteeka ku gun
mama
so I bypassed him abadde ayambuka
ng'abasajja bano bamuyitamu bambadde batya
I'm getting there. So I saw him going the latrine. So the name is Jai, I church in the mass. So coming, and then coming to give him a my mom, she's kneeling down and her hands are up. And they were like, zebra, it was zebra. So I got scared really. But so I went back in my bedroom because now I didn't have a latrine using against them by neighbors. So I went back to my bedroom with this said, because if those guys just see a shade of you and they are all masked up, I lose the phone of what they are guarded there. So I went back to my bedroom and she was like, I have 3 kids in here. I have 2 girls and 1 boy. He's at the back. And they went and checked on my sisters. The good thing they left them, they didn't interrupt them. Then they came to my room and they were like, open the door, but we want to first see your hands up. So I did so. And all they were asking was, zebra, it was zebra. I didn't see any of their faces because they were all masked up, but the black. Their guns were black. I think they were not metal type. They were black machine guns and pistols. The batons and the Banigo easy. The Vancouver. They really hit me when I was in the door eyes, BV, even in my back. I have some stains. I just hit my face like this. I was like, I don't know. So they kept hitting me and they were searching our house. So while they were searching, they were getting back our guru and now then they come out, they were move, but when your hands are up. And I kept moving. They took me to the living room where my mom was. In Musangayo. Then they were compound. And they asked me again, zebra. While they were asking me about the video, they were getting the bedroom here.
There's zebra.
I have a project which is a jail. I should say I'm a jail because he was a sergeant. So they took it. While they were leaving, they were going to knife room. So I went out to where my mom was, and they were like, keep your hands up. But I couldn't keep one of my hands up because this was swollen. So I was trying, as you know, I was really trying to put it up, although I couldn't.
Okay.
So I kept moving. Tusigala bagenda nga basachinga. You were like, man, so other guys came in from the car they came in with. It was a white drone with tinted glasses. Nibajja abadenga bana nibagamba retreat. Tebalina kye bamanyi kasonyi. So they left. Bagamba
muddayo mu nyumba.
So ffe tuddayo ewaka tumanyi everything is okay. And for about 10 minutes we were just there cleaning up the glasses. Money government here. So cleaning up the glasses, and then we had noises coming in from the neighbors. When we had the noises, and I was like, I told my mom, look, let me go, then I'll come back and tell you what's going on. So I went. When I went to the street, so automatically saa ziringa waisoida kiganga kumi kuba batulese saa ziringa saa mukaaga bana abata around there. Okay. So I go omuntu afudde wali. So I go there. Niyotuuka we batu okugezaako okwetegereza nga shati gyendaba yeefaanyiriza yali wanti yabadde ya square erimu white and grey. So I ran as any son would do or any child would do. I ran to my father. So going there, so I saw him from a distance. So he was swollen here. I couldn't recognize him at first sight. I was like, what's he? Yeah. So I was giving myself some hope. So, and I turned around to look at him. So I look at the face, and his jaw was all. There was a hole here, around here, and there was a cut here of a bullet. Even this hole was for a bullet, and he also had a bullet here. So I couldn't again recognize the face properly. So maybe I was having doubts because it's my parent. Who wouldn't have doubts? So I looked at his hands. You know your parents everything. Growing up with them. So you know his legs, you know his hands, you know his fingers, you know his everything. So I look at the hands, and they are Zebra's hands. So now this is where I get shocked. I get shocked and I'm frightened. I don't know what to tell my mom because she's hoping that he's safe. Because he ran and we were hopeful that these guys have left and he's safe. So I tried to get a closer look. Looking like this, looking at the side where the blood was all scattered. And I saw his appearance. I saw his eyes. It was my dad. I got into a moment for some maybe seconds or a minute, and then I went and told my mom that he was dead. She couldn't believe it. She walked to him, started screaming, started doing all the morning.
Taata abadde n'ebizibu byonna alina byabadde abagamba nti bannaye waliwo abantambulirako oba waliwo annoonya oba waliwo bino bitagenda bulungi abadde abibagamba.
Taata wange badde njogera naye almost everything. I was like his partner. I was his partner, yes. I was his assistant. I was his right hand man. He could tell me everything from A to Z. He was straight with me. Naye taata wange abadde muntu ayagala gavumenti.
Eya Museveni
ayagala gavumenti. Era nga agibeereddewo to some extent. Agibeereddewo for some time, some activities, and there was some activities that we were even beerawo.
yadde agenda okukola.
Which I could not tell to the media right now. So I think these are the mafias in the government he liked, or he was maybe working for, or was cooperative with. The mafias who didn't want him to get whatever gig he was going to get, or whatever spot he was going to get, and use this opportunity to flash him out of the system.
So I'm eliminating
this was an assassination. My dad was a down-to-earth man. He was a boxer, but he was a down-to-earth man. Stuff happened. Sir, confirming a question, he was going to meet someone. I don't know if it's the president, I don't know if it's the first lady or something, I don't know if it's the minister, I don't know. But he was going to meet someone, and that might have been because of his death.
So they decided to eliminate him.
I don't know. That's an undecided conclusion. The police enoonyereze mpaka kuwenaleeta tunagenda nabo.
Enteekateeka z'okuziika zirina ziti.
Enteekateeka z'okuziika leero tusuubira omulambo okugujja mu Mulago, tuguleeteko wanene bwayise waka, then enkya twali twagala cooperatinga ne Uganda Boxing Federation, because it was the federation who was representing as a Uganda Bobbers team manager. Team y'ebikonde y'eggwanga yabadde team manager waayo, era nga coach ate nga yabadde representative wa professional boxers all over the world, ate nga era nga contender, light heavyweight contender mu Africa, nga yabadde number 2 light heavyweight contender mu Africa, nga muri maaso abadde mu Morocco. So boxing has been his everything, I guess.
Omukulu ono wafiiridde nga alina titles nga mmeka?
Abadde alina international titles eziwera, cause okuva we yayingira ebikonde back before I was even born, he was called the Ugandan Tyson.
Oh yeah.
Because yalwana fights okuva ku juniors ezisookebwako paka ku open nga tewali muntu amazeeko naye nga bonna bakuba KO. Was known for his power. So he had a lot of titles, national titles. Yafunako omukisa ogenda Commonwealth naye nebikakanyizaamu, and he reached late after the entry of the athletes, and that was unfortunate, but fortunately he got a gig and he got a gym called New Addington. New Addington is representing name to Sapaka team ya Wales. Wales is one of the countries in the United Kingdom. Yeah. So he once represented the Wales team, national team. Uganda. He was the first Ugandan to do that. That's great. Kuchikira ensi endala tenga mu Uganda. Kuchikira ensi ya Wales mu Uganda era nawangula title ya New Addington boxing shoes. 2006. Nafunamu bizibu nakomawo Uganda, and he tried to make a comeback, and he did. The boxing gym. His wife is the national coach for the ladies team. Now his brother is also a national coach for the men's team. He's the team manager. I think.
Are you also into boxing? Or?
I'm also into boxing and sport. I've recently acquired the advanced sports management course at the UOC.
That's good.
And the sports administration course also at the UOC. And I'm currently doing a diploma in sports management at Chandler University.
That's good. So Musaba government ebayambe kuchi?
Government ebayambe, we want justice to be served. Whoever is behind this should pay for their crimes. Okay.
Wano we muba nga mukola ebintu nga mubikola kubaagala ffe tuli bennyamivu olw'abantu baffe, tulina amaziga ag'amaanyi olw'abantu baffe. Teri yagenda kugamba nti emundu ezase mando zavudde Sudan, ezavudde London, mundu za Uganda, ani azifuga? Mweddeko n'emundu zammwe.
Securing your future nga mukola bino.
What
is that future you are talking about?
Ng'abantu baffe bafuna.
Bannayuganda tuba tugenda kuyisibwa mu mbeera beeti. Batuleke batujjama abantu abamu abakulembeze baffe ng'abavubuka. Emitima balowooza nti batunafuya mitima naye batwongera mitima ate kuba mikumu. Byonna ebikolebwa ensi ebiraba, bannayuganda babiraba, naye kikolebwa kyonna
bajja sawa mukaaga za misana bubaze kebera tesimanyi kyasse muntu kibanda bamuse naye era wanudde one time bwekiri fe tuwabuulira nti ono kibanda bamuse naye era bajamaliza bakisasulire kibanda bamusazeeko ekiro ng'ava mu ddiba, yavudde mu ddiba nadde beesi olwavudde mupiira gwa Arsenal, ate ffe twabadde naye ekiro nga tulaba naye omupiira gwa ssaawa 4 gwa Arsenal, olwavudde ku mupiira nadde beesi, ate olwaze beesi ffe tugenda okutuuka ssaawa 7-6 ate batugamba gwe mwabadde naye nga mulabisajja
n'akonkona n'abeera mandonga
yakayingira bwati ekiro ffe batulunde ku bbala twabaddeko ekiro abasirikale ne basalako nju ku nju nga balinga bumunyeera nga buli omu beesalise baliwekisegeera abantu bonabona ne babayingiza mu nju kitegeeza kaba yabadde enkolobe nga baagala kutwala dadi waffe mwana
ebiwandiiko byonna bimwogerako ne babitwala
tuvimba mwana zero one day one time
bagala mulya bagala mulya bawandike bamulye masaka bamakyamuse basusiza nnyo batongedde buvumu tetugenda kukowa balina mundu ffe tugenda tulina amaanyi g'abantu era kituwadde ekyokusalawo na 14 Bobi Wine Kyagulanyi
obulamu bw'abavubuka y'amaanyi military police nakyo nosanga omusajja nga bamutidde wano ku ssaawa 5 omusajja ow'ekitiibwa bwati kiseezaze bamugobera
cameraman what role is with the public
Amina yatwatira ebifu by'ennyama byalye naŋŋamba mama tukwata ku nnyama ne mugagwe ne Dennis nabamanyiira omululu gwe mulina gweri ennyama yo n'agirya n'agimalawo n'emmere emaliza naŋŋamba njagala nnaanaasi mwali mmotoka ennaanaasi bbiri ne muga atwala nangako omutwalo gw'obutunda nagwo nengumula kumbansikula Dennis no n'ofundako nti yafa accident twakimanya nti accident emusi naye ono gwe tutalwazizza nako twaligenze mu ddwaliro ne tumulwaza oba bamukutte ne tumugjayo temugembera kwe tuliko
kyekyakubya wasi
sasi lino lyafulumidde wano
lyayise wano
likola kikati liri lyasirikidde omuliro naye lino eryakubye wano liridde era ddyo likulaga lirikola ki
lyavuddewa
positioni yalyo toliraba lyamugobye wano nerifulumira wano yafubutuseeyo n'asala olwandegewa kati nadda wali wamumalidde wamukuba esasi
ekiri mu gavumenti
liri esasi lyamuyiye n'obwongo
kivudde mu kugamba nti oba kiri kikolebwa lwakuba nti oba
oli yamutagetiza
waliwo ababavuganya naye kati n'abaabo kati batandise obbakuba tumanyi kiki kyamuoba kati yo gavumenti efuuse kati essaawa zino oyinza okubuuza nti ki ekyakubisizza Ssenyange naye g'oyinza okimanyi tewali nsonga nnambu emmotoka zaabwe zitambula abantu baziraba tekuli nnamba tosobola era kukeera ku makya nogaa nti emmotoka eyamukubye yeeno kuba zitambula nga teziriiko nnamba kale taliiko nnamba ogenda gimanyira nti nno yeeno gavumenti yaffe tugitegeera
yali akomyewo
bagende banoonyereza ekisosokole ky'essasi n'ekika ky'emmundu bamanye nti ono yeyayikubye essasi ate omusayi guugwo bagaye nti kulimu korona nga gwetabiseemu amazzi
era bagenda gamba yafudde korona teri kirala
Bueno,